Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have the gorgeous, stunning diva Daisy Shah. Join me as I welcome her on Zoom.
Thank you.
Lovely outfit you're wearing. I must say that.
Thank
Who
you.
are you wearing tonight?
Yeah, I was. मैं वेट ही कर रही थी कि सवाल कब आ रहा है बिकॉज आई एम सो बैड एट नेम्स माई स्टाइलिस्ट नोज व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग टुनाइट whom आई एम वेयरिंग टुनाइट आई एम रियली बैड एट दीज थिंग्स
When it comes to Filmfare Awards, and we have seen you coming for the Filmfare Awards, quite often, but Marathi cinema has been quite different. So tell me about it. How you have been associated with it. You have never worked over here, but of course you have seen.
आई हैव वर्कड
Yeah.
इन मराठी सिनेमा. मैंने दगड़ी चाल 2 में मैंने गाना किया है. मारुति इंटरनेशनल जो फिल्म्स ने जो फिल्म बनाई थी, संगीता आहिर, शी इज़ अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एंड शी जस्ट कॉल्ड मी एंड सेड के हे गाणं करायचं आहे. सेड ओके करूया. सो या आय बीन क्लोजली associated with Marathi industry, and Dagdi Chal 2 was the only film that I have worked on till now.
Yes, but that's like a special song,
Yeah.
like when I say that a proper full-fledged role,
Yeah.
that you have not done. And
Huh.
Dagdi Jal, of course, we have seen the teaser and we have seen that, pictures also which had gone viral.
Yeah.
But a full-fledged role is not what you have done, is what I'm trying to say.
Should we ask this question to the makers out there? Because next time it will be easier for me to answer. But yeah, no, I'm not bound to any cinema, I would say. For me, I'm very open in working in all kinds of regional cinema because I started from a regional cinema. And I really like to push the bar for my own self because sometimes, in spite of living in Mumbai for all my life, मला येतं मराठी बोलायला, ठीक आहे. बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वेन इट कम्स टू माई मदर टंग ऑल्सो. वेन आई वॉज डूइंग अ फिल्म इन गुजराती, वेन आई वेंट फॉर द डब आई अंडरस्टूड कि मेरी गुजराती बहुत ख़राब है. तो जब मराठी फिल्म फुल फ्लेज रोल कोई करूँगी तो उसके अंदर मेरी मराठी और बेटर हो जाएगी. जहाँ जो गलतियाँ जो मुंबईया मराठी है शायद वो बदल जाएगी.
Well, that's lovely. And Daisy, I believe you're already busy with some interesting project. Tell your fans about it.
Yes, the shooting's on a start. Okay, it's commencing in Kashmir from next month, and yeah, we are going on floors. Yippee!
But how is work going on for you? And Daisy, we have seen your career churning out into a different level altogether.
Yeah.
From starting as a choreographer to working with Salman Khan to now doing such good films.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about it?
I'm just blessed, to be very honest. I'm grateful for all the things that has happened in my life, because it's not every day that you get a chance to work with Salman Khan as, a lead, to romance him. I mean, a lot of girls in the world are probably dreaming to do that, and I got to do it. So I am one of those lucky few. And the journey, it's still going on. I'm like, we are still at the start of the journey. अब देखते हैं आगे आगे कहाँ लेके जाते हैं भगवान.
And lastly, though, as we talk about Salman, he's been known for his work, but off late he's quite under radar because
Yeah.
of the entire thing what has happened, the
Yeah.
attack which happened. What do you
Yeah,
have to say about that?
It's scary, to be very honest, when a news comes out that certain things happened at Galaxy and Salman Khan was inside. So the first fear is like उनको कुछ हुआ तो नहीं है. But luckily everything's fine. He's good, and what I really like about him is that he doesn't pay heed to all these things. He's very normal. उनका ये कहना है कि आप जितना ज़्यादा उसके अंदर फोकस करोगे आप उतना ही ज़्यादा उनको इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हो. So leave it. Let's not talk about it.
Thank you so much for your lovely time and all the very best.
Thank you.